Basketball, you betcha. I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer. We can't stop and we won't stop until you get what you need, guaranteed to succeed each and every day as a basketball player. And know that we are coming at you with more stuff all the time. So, speaking of time, I don't got much time, so let's get to it. First thing that we want to do is we want to work those ball wraps. So we're going to wrap that ball around our legs a little bit. We're going to wrap that ball around our waist a little bit. And we're going to wrap it around our head. All right. Basketball you, I need you to understand that this is an important warm-up for eye and hand coordination. And it's utilized in so many different ways. Just especially when growing up and trying to learn how to do this more creative basketball movements. All right. So we're going to do that for our warm up. Then we're going to get right into it. And that is going to be some cone dribbling. So we're going to go right away into our simple crossovers, our simple through the legs, and our simple behind the back. Then our moves today, we're going to go cross through. We're going to go in and out cross through the legs. Then we're going to go through the legs, behind the back. And then we're going to go behind the back and we're going to cross it over. We're going to do all these at least 4 times, going through the cones, front and back. And then we're going to get into some zigzag dribbling. Okay, so now we're going to go side to side, and we're also going to incorporate those same dribble moves as it's a crossover through the legs and behind the back. Then what I want you to do is I want you to attack the rim. Okay, so we're going to do attacking the rim with our dribbling from like the wing side area. And we're going to go to the elbow and we're going to utilize that crossover through the legs and the behind the back again. Okay, so we're going to do that drill. And then to finish up with that, just to solidify that we have our layups down, we're going to go through the layup series again. So you can get more familiar with this, and then we can start opening our workouts more with this layup strategy. Okay, so remember, it's a regular layup. Then you're going to do a jump stop layup. Then you're going to do inside hand layup on the same side, or you can say the opposite hand on the same side, or you can say the Steve Nash layup, as I always like to use it as it. Then we can go reverse layup with the right hand inside, and then reverse layup with the left hand, and then opposite, same thing, regular layup, jump stop, inside hand, reverse layup, inside hand, and then we have our outside hand once again. All right, go ahead and go to the free throw line and get 5 free throws up, and then go get that water break, basketball you. Now that we've gotten that done, we're going to do some more dribbling today, and I'm going to give you just something easy, right? Not too hard to do. Okay, and this particular drill is going to be the wave drill, and you're just going to do the first set of the wave drill. Okay, so you're going to do the wave drill, and you're going to attack, and then we're going to do wave drill, cross it over, and attack. Okay, so not going to get too crazy with the wave drill today. I'm just going to keep it simple just to kind of remind you what to do there, and so that you remember that. And then also what I want you to remember is we have to get better at staying low when we're dribbling. Okay, a lot of us are dribbling and we're raising up really high on our dribbles. All right, so that's one thing that you have to keep in mind, is staying low so that you can do moves how you need to effectively without losing that basketball. Okay, how many times do we want to do this wave dribble? We're only going to do it 2 sets. Okay, so you're going to go 2 sets each side, and then that's how we will finish our sequence of doing dribbling. And make sure you do it on both sides too. Okay, and then I want you to do 3-level scoring. Okay, we haven't done that in a while, so we're going to go ahead and do a quick 3-level score. Remember, you got layup, you got free throw, then you got from the top. Today though, I want you to do it from the wing, then I want you to do it at the top, then I want you to do it at the wing. So there'll be 3 sets, but it'll be different angles on your shots as well as the finishes as well. So it give you a little different dynamic in that 3-level. Then what I want to see is I want us to go back to shooting, since we are starting that up, and I want us to go around the world. Okay, just one set to kind of get that feel and the feel good. And then I want you to go 5 shots off the backboard with our 2 to 3 level shooting off the glass shooting. Okay, and then that's going to be on both sides. You're only making 5. And then I want you to shoot 2 free throws, and I want you to regroup. Then I want you to get ready for a new drill. So on this new drill, we're just going to have 2 cones set in front of us. And what I want is, I just want you to work on creating that space on the defender. So you're just going to put that foot in front, get that back foot past that cone, bring it back, work on an in and out dribble and an attack. So we're not going to lay it up. We're just working the dribble move over and over again. So I want you to do 5 in and outs when you retreat your dribble back. So you're going to give me an initial dribble, drive, retreat back, use the in and out move, go back. Okay, so we're just going to work that on both sides of the floor. We're going to do that 2 times, so you'll basically be doing it 10 times each. All right, I just wanted to introduce you to that drill because we're going to start doing that a little bit more too, where we're not always trying to score, always trying to lay it up. We need to just focus on the dynamics of the move. All right, so we're going to do that drill, and that was just a quick new one for you. The rest of the time, I want you to shoot the 3. I want you to do our 4 makes going baseline and then wing to wing. So you're going to make 4 on the baseline and 4 going wing to wing. Then I would like you to do dribble up shooting today. Just go right hand on the right side, right and left hand in the middle, and then left hand on the left side. You're going to make 3 each. And then lastly, for the shooting, I would like star drill. Love the star drills. The greatest when it comes to like doing that footwork and trying to learn it. Let's go mid-range. Okay, just to get a feel. You're going to go 2 times. Then we're going to go on the perimeter, and we're going to do that 2 times. All right. And then we have our extra work segment. Okay, so what are you going to do for extra work today? Well, today I want you guys to do all of our agility drills so that you can continue to get just a little bit quicker, just a little bit faster, and just a smidget, a little bit bouncier. Okay, so all our agility drills today are going to be our acceleration, deceleration, our pogo jumps over the cones, our W drill, and our knee tucks, and then our broad jumps. Okay, so that's going to be all our agility today, and that is your extra work. So no conditioning today. Lucky you, basketball, you. Lucky you. All right, it's the Daily Trainer, and I'm so happy to be with you each and every day, and I need you to ask me any question in the comments, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible, and also share it with anybody you need to. And that is all I want you to do. But most of all, I want you just to come and work hard and continue to compete every day with yourself and no one else. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?